YouTube? Was the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. Y'all already see what we got going on in today's video. Currently in a gas station right now. Nighttime, beautiful day in NYC. About to give y'all boys a little late night POV drive. Before that, look how pretty the car's standing right now, boy. You know what I mean? Look at this shit. But yeah, bro, she a little dirty. Don't mind her too much. She a little dirty, but y'all already know the vibes, man. About to strap up the head cam, give y'all boys a little POV drive. But yeah, we out of here, chat. Let's do it. Fuck, yo. Ooh, oh my God. It's like these potholes here in New York just keep getting worse and worse. But I ain't gonna lie though. It looks like, oh my God, she's talking, chat. Nah, it looks like they dead been trying to like fix it though. Like I've been seeing like DOT coming around with they fucking trucks and shit, filling the shit and shit. Man, they trying, I guess, but you know, shit, still got a lot of work to do. What's that? M2? Oh my God, M2 in black with the gold wheels. Nah, that shit is crazy. What the fuck? Black with the gold rims. You shitted, Twain. Shout out, Twain. Shout out, Twain. Damn, long ass red light, boy. What happened? We moving? We sturdy. Man, shout out to the M2s, man. Like, we here. Whoa. My brother here just whipped that bitch. Bang. Hard motherfucking fuck. Oh my God. It's really a beautiful night, man. Yo, today it was like 75 degrees here in New York City. Chat, she's singing. He's a monster. Stop the nice. Damn, this charger taking dumb long, boy. I wonder what really Thank you. Damn, Chad, I just had to clip out my order. so I can't have y'all calling me big and shit, you know what I mean? But nah, I went to the gym today, so you know, reward myself with a little sweet treat, you know the vibes, chat. Yo, if y'all don't got the McDonald's app, make sure y'all boys tap into that shit, boy. That shit, feel me? They be having the free ski. There's no way you should be hungry and feel me? McDonald's is out here giving out free food. I'm just saying, I'm not saying eat this shit every day, but you know, times is tough. Sometimes you gotta go, feel me? Get that, feel me? Whoa, trench mode, whoa. But yeah, I'm gonna fuck up this Sunday real quick. Pick up the cam in a bit. All the vibes, man. Calm POV night. Go on the highway, catch a little, feel me? Whoa, whoa. Yeah, we here. Yeah, child, look at fucking this little fudge sundae. Ooh, what's that? X3M ski over there acting bad? I lied? Sheesh. Yeah, let me fuck this up real quick. Miss Pussy, a bad boy. Oh my god. She's singing, chat. She's singing. Gas prices, you would think I would say the fuck out of M2 mode, right? Nah, fuck that. Doing the exact fucking opposite, nigga. We burning this gas. What we got here? 340? I'm behind that. I ain't gonna lie, I'm behind that. Down to the side of the highway. What the fuck, bye? Bro, why is everybody driving like retarded? Like, what's that about? Everybody just don't go, you know? Everybody's like stuck. That 340's finding his way though. Shout out, bro. Good catch. Them pussy, them my bad boy. That's a hard entry. That is a hard entry.